Hello students, next we'll see the seventh problem. Pooja and Usha were partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Okay, they admit Sahana for 1/6 share in profits and guaranteed that her profit will not be less than 25,000. Total profit we have 90,000, means for Sahana you should pay 25,000 profit anyhow. Okay, then calculate the share of profit given by Pooja and other partner. You have to prepare profit and loss appropriation account here. First we'll calculate remaining share 1 minus new partner share. How much we have? 1 minus new partner share, we have 1 by 6. So we will get remaining share how much? 5 by 6. Okay. So first we'll calculate new profit sharing ratio here, old ratio into remaining share. Pooja, how much we have? Old ratio 3:2 they have given, right? So 3 by 5 into remaining share you have 5 by 6. 3 5s are 15, 5 will cancel, 3 by 6 you will get. Then for Usha 2 by 5, 3:2, right? So 2 by 5 into 5 by 6, you'll get it as 5 will get cancelled, 2 by 6 you will get. Okay, so Sahana 1 by 6 we have as it is, 1 by 6 will get as we have denominated all same. So new ratio how much we have? 3:2:1 here. Okay, profit distribution to all partners, total profit we have 90,000, which you have to divide 3:2:1 ratio. Pooja 90,000 into 3 by 6 will get 45,000. Then Usha 90,000 into 2 by 6, it is 30,000. Then Sahana 90,000 into 1 by 6, 15,000. How much we guaranteed a profit to her? 25,000, but she is getting only 50,000. So remaining 10,000 should be paid by Pooja and Usha here. Since Sahana guaranteed 25,000 deficiency, 25,000 deficiency of 10,000 borne by Pooja, as she guaranteed only Pooja will pay 10,000 here. Okay, profit and loss appropriation account as Pooja mentioned clearly, so only she has to pay now. Okay, don't forget to write debit and credit here, same amount columns we have, particular size rupees in a column and outer column. Okay, by profit and loss appropriation account, net profit how much we have? 90,000 here. How much we are giving for Pooja? Share of profit how much we have? 45,000. Out of 45 she is paying deficiency of 10,000 to Sahana, so only 35,000 we are going to get it. Then Usha share of profit how much we have? 30,000. she is not paying anything from her profit. Share of Sahana share of profit we have it as 15,000 plus deficiency received 10,000. Total profit we are paying her 25,000, and both side total we will get it as 90,000. Okay, above the total single line, below the total double line, don't forget it. Okay, we'll see the next problem which you have to solve. X and Y were partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. They admit Z into partnership for 1/6 share and guaranteed profit of 50,000. Total profit of the firm was 1,80,000. Calculate share of profit of each partner when guarantee is given by X. Means only X has to pay the deficiency now, not both the partners. Okay, like exactly like 7th problem, how Pooja guaranteed there, here X guaranteed that profit. Okay, next problem, Rohit and Rahul are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. They admit Ramesh into their partnership for 1/6 share. Rohit personally guaranteed that Ramesh share of profit after charging interest on capital at 10% per annum would not be less than 30,000. Means 30,000 you should pay him after payment of interest on capital. The capital provided were as follows: Rohit 2,50,000, Rahul 2 lakh, and Ramesh 1,50,000. So on this 10% you should give a interest. Then profit for the year end they have given it as 1,50,000 before providing the interest. You have to show profit and loss appropriation account if the new profit sharing ratio is 3:2:1. Directly they have given profit sharing ratio here. So just you have to calculate interest on capital first. Rohit we have 2,50,000 into 10% capital, right? Rohit capital 2,50,000, on that 10%, so we'll get it is 25,000. Then Rahul 2 lakh we have capital, on that 10% 20,000. Then Ramesh 1,50,000, 10%, so 15,000 we will get. And new profit, okay, 1,50,000 they have given a normal profit, in that you should less interest on capital 25,000, 20,000 and 15,000. So how much we will get? 1,50,000 minus 60,000. How much will profit left? 90,000, which you have to divide for all three partners here. Okay. So Rohit in the new profit sharing ratio, 90,000 into 3 by 6. How much it is? How it is 6? 3 plus 2 plus 1. 45,000. Then Rahul 90,000 into 2 by 6, 30,000. And Ramesh 90,000 into 1 by 6, 15,000. Okay, for Ramesh we guaranteed 30,000, right? But he is getting only 15,000 here. Since Ramesh guarantees 30,000, guaranteed 30,000, deficiency 15,000 borne by Rohit as he guaranteed. Only Rohit will bear that 15,000 deficiency as he guaranteed. Okay. So we'll see the profit and loss appropriation account. Don't forget to write debit and credit. Same amount columns we have both the sides. 3 columns, particulars, inner column rupees and outer column rupees. Okay. Then first what we have to record? Net profit. How much you have net profit? 1,50,000. In that interest we should pay to interest on capital. Rohit we have 2,50,000, 10%, 25,000. Rahul we have 2,10%, 20,000. And Ramesh we have 1,50,000, 10% it is 15,000. So total interest on capital we are paying 60,000. Then how much remaining profit, right? Already we had calculated 90,000 we had distributed to all three partners here. Partners capital account, Rohit will take share of profit, 45,000 you have. In that deficiency he has to pay 15,000. Okay, so only 30,000 he will get a profit. Then Rahul share of profit, full amount he will get 30,000. And Ramesh share of profit we have 15,000 and deficiency collected from Rohit. How much we have it is 15,000. So total he will get 30,000. Then both side total you should write 1,50,000 here. Okay. I hope you are clear with this. First we are paying interest on capital here. After that the remaining amount will be distributed to all three partners. And as Ramesh guaranteed 30,000, the deficiency of 15,000 will be borrowed by Rohit itself as he guaranteed. Okay. Then we'll see the last problem on this chapter. Okay, next we'll start with the admission of partner. Charan and Sharan share profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. They admit Sachin into their partnership firm for 1/6 share. In profits, Charan personally guaranteed that Sachin's share of profit after charging interest on capital 10% per annum would not be less than 15,000 in a year. Okay. The capital provided were as follows. Charan we have 1,25,000, Sharan 1 lakh and Sachin 75,000. The profit for the year end 31st March 2020 75,000 we have. And new profit sharing ratio they have given it is 3:2:1. So no need to calculate new profit sharing ratio here. So out of 75,000 profit you should pay interest on their capital 1,25,000 10%, 1 lakh 10% and 75,000 10%. Then the remaining amount will be distributed to all three partners in their profit sharing ratio 3:1. Okay, and as Sachin guaranteed profit of 15,000. Okay, and which will be borne by only who is that? Charan. Okay, Charan personally guaranteed, so only Charan will borne that loss or deficiency. Okay. This is the last problem of this second chapter, that is accounting for basic concepts. Okay, accounting for partnership basic concepts. Next we'll start with the admission of partner. Okay, till then if you have any doubt, get it clarified still here. Okay, I hope you are clear with us. This 10th problem exactly like 9th one you have. First you have to calculate interest on capital, then you have to distribute the amount to other partners here. Okay, then the profit will be guaranteed only by Charan, deficiency amount. Okay. If you get any doubt, get it clarified, then solve the homeworks. Okay, meet you in the next class. Till then, take care.